So, you know what they say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I 100% agree. But first, we have to make some coffee. So, I used my Keurig to make a latte for the second time, and it's so easy, so quick, and it tastes just like the $5 latte that you're gonna buy at that coffee shop. So, just save yourself some money and make it at home. 10 out of 10 would recommend. For breakfast though, I made a egg, obviously because it's an omelet. I made a spinach cheese omelet, and it was so good. It's one of my go-tos on the weekend because I have a little bit more time to make it, and I paired it with some fresh fruits. I think I had some plums, some raspberries, and some strawberries, which were so delicious and a great start to the morning. So basically for this part, my roommate was asleep, so I didn't do my normal intro clip, but basically I was getting ready for the day. I decided to wear my black Old Navy dress that's super comfy and perfect for walking around. I paired it just with my my espadrilles from DSW that I got on clearance, which was amazing find. And yeah, so I was just going to a matinee show, and walking around the city, so I thought this was just like a comfortable outfit to wear, but still looked pretty cute. Yeah, so lunch was pretty simple. I just made one of my go-to Trader Joe's burritos that you just pop into the microwave. Paired it with some reduced guilt guacamole, some San Pellegrino, and some tortilla chips, and you have yourself a meal. Alright, so for dinner, I'm making one of my favorite meals to make just because it's so simple and so easy. So basically I start by chopping up some green bell peppers and some red bell peppers and just tossing those into a big ol' mixing bowl. And no, I don't know how to cut up bell pepper, as you can see in these clips, but I'm trying, and that's what matters. And then once I finish with that, I go in with my other vegetables that I'm using. So for this night, I used broccoli and asparagus because they're like two of my favorite veggies to saute up and put with some chicken. So that is very good. So I'm just curious about whether y'all like the style of this video. So if you do like this video or like the concept of this video, be sure to leave a comment down below with whether you want to see more cooking videos or more what I eat in a day, or like more recipe videos, because I thought this was so fun to film and I'd love to continue to do them. So just like let me know if you liked it. Yeah. So once all the veggies are chopped up, I basically just add in some olive oil, just however much I feel like I need. It's really a guessing game. And then I will also season the veggies with my favorite Trader Joe's seasoning, as I'm sure all of you have seen before, is the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. It's super yummy, especially on vegetables and eggs. I really like it. And then I will also use some garlic powder to taste as well, just to really bring out the flavor. But yeah, like I said, I'm not a chef, so all that matters is that I like it and it tastes good. Yeah. So then you're gonna want to start cooking up your chicken. So I really am obsessed with the Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange chicken. It's just so easy to make. Like literally the most non-cooking of people can make this and it'll taste good and it'll be thoroughly cooked through and there'll be no worries. So it's so easy. So I'll just cook that up for 8 to 10 minutes on medium-high heat. And yeah. So after the chicken's done, I will saute up the veggies and listen to some music. And I'll also add the sauce to the chicken just to let that marinate a little bit. And then once I'm done with that, I will add in half of the veggies, or I guess I'll take out half of the veggies and add in half of the chicken and cook that all up just to get all the flavors together. And yeah, it tastes so good and it looks even better. Oh wait, that's not right. It looks good, but it tastes even better. There we go. For dessert, I usually will have one of the complete cookies. It's like the minier version I get at Trader Joe's. So instead of having to cut it in half, I can eat the whole thing. But they're super delicious. That's all I have for this video, but it was a lot of fun. I really liked just kind of cooking and taping it for y'all. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and follow us on Instagram at The Swirl Blog and my personal account at Gabby Whiten, and be sure to check out the blog, which is always linked down below. But yeah, have a great week, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.